Okay, we're going to do a little problem here, and I'm going to turn the webcam off of myself and put it onto the problem that we have. If you give me just a second here, I'd like for you to take out a sheet of paper, take out your depreciation schedules, excuse me, and we'll get started on this problem that I have set up here. Okay. This is a problem I've devised for you. So what I would like for you to do is try to do this problem on your own, but I'm going to give you a little hand here today. Alan James operates an excavating company and has the following assets. Calculate the maximum depreciation for 2011. Now, the first thing he does is he goes out and buys a building for $180,000 on March 1st, 2006. Of that $180,000, $30,000 represents land. So of this, what you're going to do is you're going to take $150,000. That's what's depreciable. Now, how many years has this building been in service? Well, what I like to do is count backwards. I take 2011, 2010, 2009, 2008, 2007, and 2006. So 2006 would be the first year, 7 would be the second, 8 would be the third year, 2009 would be the fourth year, 2010 would be the fifth year, and 2011 would be the sixth year. So this is a commercial building. So if you look on page D7, which is non-residential real property, placed in service in March, okay, during years 2 through 39, the depreciation rate is 2.564%. So you would multiply 150,000 times 2.564%. Okay. Now, in number 2, in the second one, they bought a bulldozer that same year. 6 years. Now, since they bought the bulldozer in the final quarter of the year, we have to use the mid-quarter convention. That's what this represents. This represented the mid-month convention, which is what we use for real property, but this is mid-quarter convention because that's what we use for personal property, such as a bulldozer. Okay. So, what depreciation do we have to take? In your depreciation sheets, if you look on page D4, a bulldozer is 7-year property. So if you look at 7-year property, okay, under the fourth quarter, mid-quarter convention, for the 6th year, okay. Now, you would think normally that we would take depreciation on $38,000, but the fact is, in the first year, we took depreciation of $10,000. So therefore, we can only depreciate the remaining $28,000. Right? And what you would do is you would take the $28,000 and multiply it times 8.73%. Fourth quarter, 7-year property, mid-quarter convention, in the 6th year is 8.73%. Okay? Now, this truck that we have here, or I'm sorry, let's go to the backhoe. The backhoe is the same type of thing, only thing it is half-year convention. We take the $22,000 of original cost, subtract out the $10,000 of Section 179 expense that we took in the first year. That gives us $12,000 of depreciable assets remaining. And we multiply that, and that would be the 5th year of use. So if you look at the half-year convention for the 5th year of use, that would be 8.93%. Okay, so that's what you would take. Now, in the very next lecture, I'll go over the other 3 assets, the truck, the equipment, and the building improvements. Okay, on the truck, we're going to have to use those depreciation charts that we used for autos and listed property. So make sure you have that handout in hand as well. Okay, and we're almost at the end of this lecture. Take care.